All right, well, I don't know, what is this, round 3 or 4 of cleanup? Here we go. I guess we'll get to shoveling then. I've just finished roof raking, and you may ask yourself, why do you rake your roof? Well, last year I found out very quickly. We developed a small leak from an ice dam, and so yeah, I stay on top of it now.
Well, it's time to start digging out the Prius. I think it's going to take a little while, even though it's a little car.
Okay, we have our first attempt to leave the neighborhood. There is no way, buddy. No way. Yes, you have a friend, girl. It's sunshine. Let's go. Up. No, this way, Pen. Let's go. Come on, sunshine. Okay. Come on. We just finished snow blowing and now it's time for some brunch. Bree has put together a beautiful brunch and we're about to eat that and then we'll head out for a walk. All right, here we go. All right, well that last run was fun, but this one should be better. Just as the storm comes in. All right, let's get it. Here you can see my hiking track all the way down to the road down there. Yeah. So as you could see in the last videos, we did get a plow. Just enough to, I think, make a one-way road really at this point. That machine was massive and it was having a tough time, but it got through. Yeah, it's pretty impressive that the plow driver got it down to pavement in a lot of spots. These are some special jackets that the girls got during our time in New Zealand with a brand called Swan Dry. So all the Kiwis would know that brand for sure. It's quite popular for outdoorsmen. They keep the dogs warm, that's for sure. These berms are definitely starting to slightly resemble what we had last year, but obviously still not the same. So I feel like I saw that question quite a bit with just kind of asking, well, first of all, how much snow did we get? It's really hard to say because of the winds. In places it was waist to chest height. In places it was like bare. So hard to say in the total depth of the storm. The other question that we got a lot was just comparing to last year. And yeah, obviously the total snow throughout the whole season, we're way down on that. But in terms of like a 3-day storm, I don't remember anything being this involved in terms of the winds and the amount of snow and the work to clear everything. Just a touch. Can you find the car? I just wanted to clear up one other thing, and that is if it came off as being whining about the situation, that is not the impression I wanted to give off. We absolutely love the snow. Man, it's 2 o'clock and I really thought this thing was supposed to be done. We're about to find out the fate of our berm, and it's not good. Could be worse, but it's a long berm to deal with.